Okay, so at the visitor center, I got bourbon bowls, and I wanted to, well, one for me, one for mom, and I wanted to try it and see what it's like. So let's try it. Okay, so this is the bourbon bowl. It has a little thing to hold it closed. And it has nuts in it. I have the recipe card for it. I think it might be pecans, I don't remember. But let's try it. Okay, so bourbon bowl, let's try it.
He would not have taken both at the same time, and then we find out through the corner that there was a large amount.
Oh, that's nice.
In the contents of his stomach. That's curious again because Ted was
that is really nice.
Smoke heroin, not ingested.
You could definitely taste that. Wow, that's strong. Okay, so the bourbon bowls, it says it has buttered powdered sugar, chopped pecans, bourbon, and chocolate. But in the store, I'm not sure if I recorded reading it. It said that something about the bourbon was like burning my chest a little bit. It said something about a cream. I have to go back and double check that, but the bourbon bowls are really nice. They were, I think, $150 for one at the visitor center, and I really like it. It's nice, it's strong. And the pecans, because it did say it had pecans in it, right? The chopped pecans, yeah. It adds a really nice touch. It's really nice. So when in Kentucky, bourbon bowls. Who knew?